What's up, fellow traders? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are at this morning. And first and foremost, Happy New Year to everyone. Just like I said, this is my second video for the day. And please, I really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button on all of my social media pages: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. And Happy New Year again, people. Once again, I've analyzed this market since last year, and just like I forecasted everything, this is Euro USD, and the market is acting according to what I forecasted, last year. And please, people, don't just shake faith. From what I can see, from what I analyze, me and my team, this is what I see. You understand? This is what we see. Just take a look at the market, take a look at the, how we channel the analysis and all that. This is what we've seen since last year. These very bearish candlestick closed last night. This was the candle that closed last year, and this was the candle that closed within last year December on Thursday, and last night January the 3rd. You get it? Last night Sunday, January the 3rd. You understand? The market closed at this very bearish candle, and it's still open at this very bearish candle before it's closing, before the new bullish candle open up. You get it? So look at it. Just take your time to look at it. This is Euro USD, like I said before. Take your time to look at it, and you understand what I'm saying, that this is what the market said it would do, and the market is doing exactly what it said it would do. So please just take your time to watch what really makes this market to take this uptrending direction. You understand? It has been like that. It's like a trade war within Euro and USD. The number one currency that have like the highest volatility within each other is Euro USD. You get it? I could say it's the primary currency in the Forex market. From me and my team's analysis, me and my team, we could fully say that this is the number one currency pair in the whole Forex market. You get it? That is the Euro USD. You get it? So just take a look at the market. It has been in like a trade war for a very, very long time. Since the time of the pandemic, the market has been in the trade war. You get it? Like the trade war started on the 21st of February 2020. You get it? Euro really took it up. Very, very bullish, and USD, brought it down. Let me see how many pips this is. It started here. I'm coming. Let me just see how many pips it is. People, I'm coming. So from here, from this place, from December 21st to from February 21st 2020 till 9th of March 2020, this market moved 371 pips. 371. So that's on the Euro USD of a volatility. You understand? And this was due. Should you just look at this candlestick, it's somewhat short, but this is a daily trade candle. You understand? This is a daily trade candle. This is a daily trade chart. So each candles that you see here opens in one day. So don't look at it like, hey, what is this? No. Each candle you see here open in one day, so it might be a little bit shorter, but it really moved. So just like I said, it moved 371 pips. 371 pips. That's exactly the kind of pips that it moves from here to here. You get it? But on the 10th of March, USD was still able to take charge of the market, which is it took charge of it. I'm coming. Let me just write this down so I won't make the mistake. Let me just write this down. Euro USD, USD, from under 21st. 20. Three, 7, 1. Bullish. Okay. Like this. 2. 2. 9. Okay. Now, from on the 21st February 20 till 9th of March, 20, it moves 371 pips. You got it. Sorry, people, for the delay. You understand? So let's go to on the 10th of March. A bearish candle for US dollar open on the 10th of March, and on the 10th of March we have 1.1448 till I'm counting 1.0686 minus 1.14. 1.14. There's a mistake here. Sorry. Sorry, people, for the delay. Is this much right? I don't know, but the market was able to move from here to this place. You get it? Let me calculate it first. Was able to move from 1.1453. Was able to move to this place. The market, this is what I have to say. The market keep moving and it change directions. You understand? It was a trade war within Euro USD. The market keep countering each other. It keep going, it keep coming down. In May, 15th of May, Euro was able to pick it up again, and in June, USD was trying to fight it, and Euro went all the way up. You understand? So I joined this market around June or something. I joined it. No, yeah, I think I think I joined it around June. Yeah, I think I joined it around this place, but I know I joined this market because I enjoy all these volatilities that went up. So the market just keeps swinging, and to all me and my team's analysis, to all my team analysis with me, the market really did some beautiful things here, some beautiful handiwork, and from our own statistics and price action calculation, it really proves everything. It really proves that it's an uptrending market, and the crusade keep going. So people, this is what I have to say. Please like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. And please, I would like to hear your opinion. I would like to know what you see in this market and what you feel that is going to happen. So people, not more than this for now. Don't be greedy, stay safe, trade wise. You understand? Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. God help us all. See you in my next video.